Alright, here's a tanker, an army tanker. This is on display in Bangor for everyone to come and see and to visit. Look at that. See the groove of the threads. We're gripping. Move along. This is in Bangor, Maine. See all the details in that? There's a lot of money in this machinery. Alright, there you go. There's your tanker.